Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Tech Minds. Today, we're diving into a fundamental topic for all Apple users, creating an Apple ID. Whether you're new to the Apple ecosystem or just need a refresher, we've got you covered. Stick around as we walk you through the simple steps to set up your very own Apple ID. Step 1. Open the App Store or Settings. To begin, unlock your Apple device and either open the App Store or navigate to the Settings app. Step 2. Tap on Sign In or Create Apple ID. If you're using the App Store, locate the Sign In button at the top of the screen. If you're using the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Sign Into your iPhone or iPad at the top of the screen. Next, tap on Don't Have an Apple ID or Forgot It to start the registration process. Step 3. Enter your email and password. Now, you'll need to provide a valid email address and a strong password for your new Apple ID. Make sure your password includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters for security. Step 4. Verify your email. Apple will send a verification code to the email address you provided. Check your inbox and enter the code when prompted on your device. Step 5. Enter your name and birthday. Apple requires your name and birthday for your account information. Make sure the details are accurate. Step 6. Add a payment method, optional. While not mandatory, you can add a payment method for purchasing apps, music, and more. This can be a credit card or PayPal account. Step 7. Agree to terms and conditions. Read through the terms and conditions, then tap Agree at the bottom to proceed. Step 8. Set up two-factor authentication. Recommended. For added security, consider setting up two-factor authentication. This will require a verification code in addition to your password when signing in. Step 9. Choose your preferred settings. Customize your settings, such as app updates, iCloud backups, and location preferences. Step 10. Congratulations, your Apple ID is created. That's it. You've successfully created your Apple ID. Now you can access the App Store, iCloud, and other Apple services with ease. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials and helpful content. Thanks for joining us today.